Hello there, are you ready to do step 2 of your annotated bibliography? You'll be writing a rough draft for sources 4 through 6. I'm on the instructions page in the module, and if I scroll down, let's get to entry 4, the website of a professional organization. A professional organization is like a club. It's a group of people who have the same job. And these clubs usually have a dues. And when you join the organization, you can go to conferences sponsored by the organization. And you can get newsletters and publications from the organization. You can also get lots of current research, as well as contacting other members of the organization. And we will use the research guide again to help us find a professional organization, and you'll be finding one for your career field. Remember the research guide, if I scroll up here and I click on this blue link and I select the 4th tab, professional organization, it tells me that every profession has an organization or association for students and professionals. They often offer career information, training, conferences, and other resources. They have websites that can be valuable sources of information for the career researcher. Then it tells me to search through Google using the name of my career and the words professional and association. And I don't even have to leave this page to go to Google. Over on the other side here, we've got a link to an advanced Google search. And all I have to do is type in, let's say that I want to do, dental hygiene. And I'm going to type in professional organization, and maybe your field isn't dental hygiene, maybe it's forestry, maybe it's archaeology. Just substitute that for dental hygiene and then type in the words professional organization. And you're going to scroll down and click the advanced search button. If you don't have luck with your very first search, you can try something related, something close to your career field. If you're having difficulty, you can contact a librarian through LibChat and ask for some help, or you can email me. Let's take a look here at my choices. Here I could choose the National Dental Hygienists Association. That's a good one. We do want a national, not a state or local association. This looks like it's going to just be other ones like the American Dental Hygienists Association. It says it's the largest one. That sounds kind of interesting. I'll just go on this one for now. And here I am. I have found a professional organization website. So what should I do? Well, I should click around and get familiar with it. I can start with the home page, and browse around, see everything that's on the home page. It's telling me about a convention. I can look at information about membership. I can look at information about meetings, programs, and these other different places. There's even scholarship information. I can look at resources, careers, a store, and information about the National Dental Association. As a matter of fact, that's the first place I'm going to go because I just want to make sure that this is a professional organization. So let me read a little bit about the NDA. I want to confirm that I've found a professional organization about my career field. Looking at the About is a good way to do that. Here we have a mission, a history, goals. And if you find a page like this, you can be pretty sure that you have found a professional organization that you can use. So then you're just going to go through and you're going to look at everything that's available. Just flip through. And you're ready to work on your annotated bibliography, entry 4. So first of all, you're going to cite the website in APA format. In this case, it would be the NDA website. Explore all the website, try the links, and then write a 200-word annotation describing what resources are available there and how you could use them in your college studies and your future career. Now you might be wondering, okay, so how do I cite a website in APA? Or maybe even when you were on part 1, you were trying to figure out how to cite a career resource like the Occupational Outlook Handbook in APA. And you can find that information, again, in the research guide. Click on the Citing APA Style and on this little tab here, and then open up PCC's guide, or my favorite is the Al Purdue guide, and they will give you formatting hints for how to format in APA for anything, a website, a career source, or even what's going to be entry number 5, a video lecture. So when you're ready to do entry number 5, open up this tab and it will take you to 3 sites that have excellent video lectures. Khan Academy, AMSR, which is math and science, the STEM fields, and Open Culture. Click on one of these icons. It will take you to the site and you can do a search for videos in your area. Let's say that you do a search for archaeology and you can't specifically find any archaeology videos. Think about a class that you might need to take for your major. There's a lot of really helpful math and science and writing videos, and you can review one of those, watch it, and summarize it if you can't find one specifically about your career field. So put in the name of your career field, do a search, see if you can find a video, and if you can't, be a little more creative. Anything that's related to your career. So entry number 4, 5 tells us you are going to find a video that's at least 20 minutes or 2 shorter ones that total 20 minutes. Create an APA citation and write a 200-word annotation summarizing what you learned and how it might be useful in your college studies or your career. And that brings us down to, hooray, the very last one, a reliable website. You're going to use your lateral reading skills to find any other website. Go on the open web, go to Google and just type in your career and see what you find. Make sure that it's credible, and then you are going to write an APA citation, 200 words, summarize the content of the website. Make sure you use your own words, no cutting and pasting. Please don't use a .com website. Look for .edu, .org, or .gov websites. And you are going to cite and explain how you might use it in your college studies or future career. Entries 4 through 6 will come as a rough draft, will complete part 2 of the annotated bibliography for your career field. Then the final step for next week, you will read the feedback and corrections that I've given you on step 1 and step 2 by reopening your documents, and you will make any corrections or additions that I've suggested. And you'll also be looking for corrections on your citation format, spelling and grammar, and so on. Then you're going to type up a full final draft to submit as step 3. You should title it Annotated Bibliography for whatever your career field is. And let's go ahead and take a look at the sample again. Like this. And then you're going to have entry 1 ebook. You actually type those words, APA citation. Then you're going to type up your annotation with any corrections that I've suggested. And you're just going to go through and you're going to have entry 2, entry 3. Just follow the format of this sample. Turn it in. And then you're done with step 3 of the annotated bibliography. You'll be ready to go on to your second career journal, which will complete the career project. I really hope that you, if not like right out enjoyed this project, some of you may enjoy it, but I hope that you learned a lot and you found some valuable places to answer questions that you have about your career. That's it for now. Goodbye, everyone.